welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Amy here. Here is a new vlog for you. I hope you enjoy it. Procedures you have to take.
Can't be beat. Everybody feel the vibe. Dance together. Come alive. Bass is pumping. Heart so loud. Feel the rhythm. Move the crowd. Hands up high. Touch the sky. Keep it going. Don't be shy. Party all night long. Groove to the rhythm. Feel so strong. Party all night long. Keep it rocking. Keep it strong. Shake it.
Hey y'all, how you guys doing? I hope you're having a good day. Join me as I go restocking on some of my favorite skincare products. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Neon lights and laser beams. Feel the music, live your dreams. Jump and shout, let it out. Dance until we all fall out. Party all night long. Groove to the rhythm, feel so strong. Party all night long. Keep it rocking, keep it strong. Party all night long. Groove to the rhythm, feel so strong. Party all night long. Keep it rocking, keep it strong. Shake it.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Good afternoon, morning, evening. I'm not sure what time it is where you at. So I'm on my way to pick up a couple of stuff from Luna, the resident cat. I want to pick up what do I want to pick up? Cat food and cat toys. A couple of toys for her as well. Hopefully I find them. So let's go to the store together. So I'm here at the pet store.
Woke up in the sun, it's kissing my face.
Oh, what a cute dog.
Spinning in circles with boundless grace. Shoes left behind, don't need to be laced.
I could be.
This is Luna. Hey Luna.
To embrace.
Luna, do you love your toys?
Trees are clapping along.
Let me see. No, I'm hungry.
Feed me, you wicked woman.
I got you some cat food. This,
Plays a melody,
this,
happy song.
this,
The clouds are
sorry,
waving in the sky.
this again. So let's put
Butterflies
this
joining,
aside.
floating by. No need for reasons, no need to
Hey, see what I got you.
blooms like it'll never die.
You don't like it? And then I got you a rat. Your own rat. Your own personal rat. Go to your own rat, my baby.
Plays a melody, a happy song. The world spins wild, but here I'll stay. Holding
No,
the
it's
joy
not a
like
toy.
a
You're
summer
supposed to
rain.
eat it.
Every step a spark, every word I
So
say.
apparently,
Colors
Luna
explode,
doesn't like
will
that
light
food.
up the day. Dance like the trees are
Come
coming
back here.
along. Smile so wide, like I could do no wrong.
I'm gonna open this for her. She's already trying to take it out. All right, let's do
Today's a
this.
melody, a happy song.
Oh, she likes it. Do you like it? Good morning, guys. How y'all doing? I hope everyone is doing great. I had such a stressful day yesterday, and I'm expecting some wigs today from TSR, and I cannot wait to see them, and I can't wait to show you guys what they look like. Meanwhile, this is me. It's in chaos. I have to clean this place up. So how's your weekend going? How's your week going? What do you guys do? Anything fun? Anything interesting? Tell me. So yeah, so let's just get this place. Guys, if you're looking at that guava there, please just ignore it. I have this here. I don't know why I've not cut into it yet. Is there any of you in the comment section that loves guavas as much as I do? We have a tree right in front of our house. So yeah, whenever it's about to get ripe, I always like hover around there like a pest. And I just cut into the guava, and this is what it looks like. It's spoiled. I've had this for over almost getting. Well, this is my fault. I'm not gonna blame anyone. I'm going to cut through this one, and hopefully this one is not bad because I've had it for some days as well. Whoosh! How juicy is this? This is so juicy. Anywho, so let's just get this place clean. This is Luna. Guys, she's been creeping me out lately. Eating birds. Say hello. I could check for us. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Meow. Meow. Say hello. Here. Ugh. Guys, we need to take her to cat prison because she's been killing a lot lately. Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is my look for the day. I'm always bending. Do I want to fall down and break? If you can see those chipmunks behind me, those are my sister's kids, my nephew and my niece. So yeah. So dispatch is here, and I want to go get the stuff, the item, the packet from him. I'm already tired. I'm already tired. I don't know if you guys see my face. Look stressed. Stressed to the bone. Oh, okay, yeah. Thank you. You too. This is number one. Let's try this. So I just tried on the first one. I'm going to go with this one. back. Please, if you hear any noise in the background, just bear with me. My sister's kids are around, and yeah, you get the drift. So, that's it. So, this is what this looks like. What do you guys think? Tell me which one is your favorite. I think I'm in love with this one, honestly. So are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? This is number 2. Tell me, do you guys like this one? Do you love it? Or do you love it? Please, again, I'm gonna say this. Ignore the noise in the background. I live in a madhouse. Okay. If you have kids, you totally understand what I'm going through right now. So tell me. The back is so lush. So this is hair number 3. So, are you guys ready? So this is hair number 3, right? This is hair number 3. It's a pixie coil. How do you guys like this? The noise in the background, please just excuse it. I beg you, just excuse it. There's so much noise. There's so much going on. See? This is the back. So which one is your favorite? Now, what do I think about the hairs so far? I love all of them. I'm gonna give all of them a 10 over 10. All of them. So hopefully the gold one doesn't disappoint, because this ones are like here. So the next ones, I'm hoping that they're gonna be like chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Anywho. Please, let's try to ignore the noise. My sister's kids are singing. I think they're having a concert. Let's ignore that. Please. Just look at this. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure I did a good job with whatever it is I was doing, but this is what it looks like. And so tell me, do you love this one? I'm trying, in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to see what it looks like there. Like I said before, still haven't cut this out because I don't know how to do it. So yeah. And as for the back, you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How y'all doing? So I'm about to go on a walk with my family, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and I hope that you enjoy this take a walk with me video, and I hope that you enjoy this take a walk with me video. I hope you guys enjoy. So I got Crocs check, got free pants check, crop top check, watch check, phone check. Oh, I need my umbrella as well, because yeah, I cannot stand the heat. So ciao. Full fit, can you see? Oh, kisses check. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Tripod check. So that's it. That's all I'm taking with me. God, this is so beautiful. See you in a little bit.